Onion bhaji, a very popular restaurant starter and very easy to prepare at home. For this recipe, we need 100 gram of chickpea flour, 2 pinches of asafoetida, 2 onions red and brown, a green chili, a clove of garlic, fresh coriander leaves, a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder and salt to taste. We also need some water and oil for frying. Cut onions into thin slices. Chop up the green chilies and coriander. Flatten the garlic clove and then chop it up. Transfer the onion in a mixing bowl. Sprinkle in some salt. Mix it well. Keep it aside for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add in the garlic, green chilies, fresh coriander and mix it well. Now add in the besan chickpea flour, turmeric powder, red chili powder and coriander powder. Give it a good mix. Now combine everything together. It should be thick enough to hold its shape. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water if needed. Heat some oil on medium heat. Take a spoonful of bhaji mixture. Give it a round shape and drop it in the hot oil. When you drop it in the oil, your bhaji must sizzle and float. Stir gently so that they get brown evenly. Drain the bhajis on kitchen paper. Heat up again the oil before you add new batch of bhajis. Repeat the process. Serve them hot with coriander and tamarind chutney.